Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you? Long time no see. Okay, today we will continue our material. Would you please go and take your book, this blue book. Remember your book. Just pause your video and take your book. Okay, I'll give you time now. Please go.
Let's go.
Take your book, and then don't forget, after you take your book, return here. Okay. Now we will continue our material. Our materials continue with unit 6. Take a look at your book, page 46, and our material today is unit 6 under the title What Matters to Me. Once again, at unit 6, what matters to me. And then the grammar that we will learn today is about describing. And we will focus on two things today. The first one is describing people, and the second one is describing things. Ya. Jadi materi kita hari ini ada dua. Yang pertama adalah unit kita yaitu unit 6, What Matters to Me. And then materi kita yaitu tentang grammar, about description. Jadi yang pertama adalah describing people. Alright, describing people.
Jadi pipa.
Okay. Describing people. The first one is that how would you describe people? When you describe people, you will have to pay attention about how they are, and then what they are. Okay. Now, the focus on describing people is only with two questions. Usually used only two question words. The first one is how, and the second one is what. Jadi ketika menggambarkan atau menjelaskan seseorang, biasanya akan muncul dua kata tanya yang paling sering digunakan. The first one is how, bagaimana. The second one is what, apa. Okay, as you see in page 46, halaman 46 contohnya. Di situ Anda lihat ada kotak. Number one is matching. A matching question. So you have, for example ya, kita kasih contoh, misalnya ada seorang wanita, dia bernama Thalia. Okay, for example, seorang wanita namanya Thalia. Kita tidak tahu seperti apa Thalia itu. And then you can start by asking questions. You can use the questions here in this book. For example, ya, the first question is Thalia. Thalia itu kita akan tanya what is she like? What is she like? Thalia itu seperti apa? Thalia itu seperti apa? What is she like? So you can ask what she like? What is she like? Atau what she like? Second one, what does she look like? Once again, what does she look like? Artinya di sini what does she look like itu dia itu wajahnya itu seperti apa? Gambaran orangnya itu seperti apa? What does she look like? Second is that what does she like doing? Apa yang dia suka kerjakan atau apa yang suka dilakukannya? Apa yang suka dilakukannya? What does she look like doing? Next is how tall is she? Jadi seberapa tinggi? Apakah tingginya 150, 160, 170? How tall is she? Atau misalnya kita mau tanya umurnya, how old is she? Pakai how. Next is that What color eyes has she got? What color eyes she got? Apakah warna matanya? Kalau kita coklat ya semuanya atau hitam mostly, so jawabannya adalah she has a black eyes atau she has a brown eyes. Next, oke, seperti yang saya katakan tadi, how old is she? Oke. The next one is after how old is she? You can ask what kinds of clothes does she wear? Talia tadi itu, what kinds of clothes does Talia wear? What kinds of clothes does she wear? Jadi misalnya Anda lagi ada di atas lantai 5, tiba-tiba Talia ada di lantai bawah. Anda bisa menebak what kinds of clothes does she wear? Next, the next one is what is her hair like? Rambutnya seperti apa? What is her hair like? Does she has curly hair? You know curly, keriting. Does she have straight hair, long and straight hair, panjang dan juga lurus, straight hair? Or does she has a black hair, or blondie, or red hair, or something? Next one, Anda bisa bertanya dengan how is she? How is she di sini artinya bukan apa kabarnya, tidak. How is she means orangnya seperti apa sih? Apakah dia baik atau maybe dia kesan ya, lebih pada kesan. That's the way you ask question about how is she. So once again, when you want to describe people, akan ada dua pertanyaan yang biasa sering muncul kata tanya. The first one is what, and the second one is how. Antara lain yaitu what is she like? What does she like doing? Apa yang suka dikerjakannya? Next is what does she look like? How tall is she? What color eyes has she got? How old is she? What kinds of clothes does she wear? What is her hair look like? How is she? Kita buat contoh misalnya. Di kelas ada mahasiswa S1 farmasi, kalau tidak salah namanya Tiara. Oke, Tiara. For example, ada yang tahu Tiara tidak?
Tidak ada.
Nah, kalau misalnya tidak tahu Tiara, tidak pernah lihat Tiara, Anda bisa bertanya. The first one is questions is what is she like? Tiara itu seperti apa sih? What is she like? Next one is what does she look like? Wajahnya itu seperti apa? Is she beautiful? Is she oval or something? Is she apa misalnya? Is she you can ask questions. Next is that what does she look like? What does she look like? She is very beautiful. She is very kind. Atau nanti kalau how is she baru Anda bisa jawab dia sangat baik. Next is how tall is she? How tall is she? For example, Tiara. How tall is Tiara? Let me guess. Tiara is 165 centimeters tall. And then what color eyes has she got? She has brown eyes. Next is how old is she? Let me guess. She is 22 years old. And then what kinds of clothes does she wear right now? What kinds of clothes does she wear right now? She is wearing dress right now, and then what is her hair look like? I don't know because we never see her hair. Next is that how is she? You can say she is very kind. She is a very nice person. Okay. Our next material is about describing place. Once again, describing place or places. All right. When we are describing place or places, excuse me. Hello. Okay. Next is describing places. For example, we are going to describe about our bedroom. Describing about bedroom, for example, so there will rise some questions. The first one is, what is your bedroom like? Take a look at your bedroom right now. If you are in your bedroom, take a look at your bedroom. Lihat kamar tidurnya. What is your bedroom like? What is your bedroom like? It's very nice bedroom, or it is a very messy bedroom. It is a very comfortable bedroom. It's up to you. Next question is, how big is it? How big is it? Is it big? For example, misal kamarnya 3x3, so it is 2 times 3 bedroom, or 3 times 3 bedroom, 3 times 3 meters bedroom, or 4.5 meters bedroom. Up to you. It depends on how big is your bedroom. Next is, how many furnitures are there inside your bedroom? How many bedrooms are there inside your bedroom? How many furnitures are there inside your bedroom? Next is, what size is the bedroom? What size is the bedroom? Next is, which floor is it? Misalnya kamar rumah Anda lantai 3, ya udah, which floor is it? In the second floor, in the first floor, in the third floor, up to you. Next is, if you are asking question, how do you feel inside your bedroom? Jadi kebanyakan pakai what dan kebanyakan pakai how. Ya, that is the way when you are trying to describe about your room or bedroom or kitchen, for example. So that is when you describe things, akan muncul beberapa pertanyaan-pertanyaan seperti itu, jadi akan mudah untuk Anda mendescribe something. So, for example, if I ask you to describe about your bedroom, now take a look at your bedroom. So I will ask questions. What is your bedroom look like? Once again, what is your bedroom look like? Is it big? Then I will ask question, what is the size of your bedroom? What is the size of your bedroom? And then, how big is it? How big is it? Very big, or just small, or medium? And then, what size is your bedroom? How do you feel inside your bedroom? Okay. Now, the next one is describing about things. Describing things, well, it is also the same with describing people, describing about places. Tidak jauh berbeda, tetapi penggunaan kata-kata sifat dan juga kata kerja atau kata keterangannya berbeda. Tetapi sebenarnya tidak jauh berbeda, sama saja kata-kata yang digunakannya, the same. Kata tanyanya akan tetap biasanya digunakan ada dua, yaitu dia yang pertama is about how, the second one is what. Alright. Number one is, for example, let's have handphone. Handphone. You hold your handphone right now, right? Let's just describe about your handphone. The first one, Kita gunakan pertanyaan yang ada di buku. Oke, kita akan tanya mereknya apa. So you can ask question just like, what brand is your handphone? What brand is it? Is it Oppo, like my handphone, or maybe Xiaomi, or maybe Samsung, or iPhone, Apple, maybe, or there are many kinds of brands out there. And then Anda akan bertanya beratnya berapa? How much does it weigh? Tulisannya WIGH, WEIGH, tapi dibaca weigh. How much does it weigh? Beratnya berapa? The next one is, what is it made of? Once again, what is it made of? Is it made of plastics? Is it made of iron? Is it made of papers? Or is it made of wood? Mungkin terbuat dari kayu handphonenya. Next is, how big is your screen? How big is your screen? For example, is it 4 inch, 4.5 inch, or maybe 5 inch, or maybe 7 inch, or maybe 8 inch? Next, apa lagi? What is the color? What is the size? What is the form? Is it rectangle? What is it square? Is it circle? Is it kalau yang square berarti dia handphonenya yang flip, yang lagi terkenal sekarang, yang flip itu. The next one is, nah kalau bisa bertanya harganya, how much is your handphone? Okay, that is the way you describe about things. Jadi pertanyaannya akan berputar pada dua kata itu saja, yaitu how and what. Now, untuk membaca, untuk mempelajarinya lebih dalam lagi dan lebih jelas lagi, silahkan Anda buka bukunya lagi. Itu halaman 46, page 46, unit 6, what matters to me, and also page 47. Page 47. Yeah. Okay. Now you have already listened to my explanation. Kalau if you have a problem with understanding the materials, just rewind the video, play it again, and then watch again about how would you describing people, or how would you describe places, or how would you describe about things. Okay, now I give you a task as usual. Saya akan memberikan Anda tugas. Tugas Anda adalah I want you to describe about apa di sini yang tadi saya tugas itu ya, sorry. Describing kitchen. Yes, I want you to describe about your kitchen. I guess each of you has a kitchen. For example, maybe your mom's kitchen, your boarding house kitchen, or the kitchens in your apartment if you live in apartment. The kitchen in your house. Would you please describe about that place? So the first thing that you have to explain to me is that I want you to describe about what is the first one is, what is your kitchen like? Once again, what is your kitchen like? The second one is, how big is it? How big is it? Next, there, how many furnitures or how many tools are there? maybe you can mention in that writing in your task what kinds of tools or instruments in your kitchen. The next is, what size is your kitchen? Maybe 3 meters or 2 3 meters, or maybe just 2 times 1 meter. Then don't forget also mention what kinds of instrument, maybe plates, pan, oven, stove. Is it gas stove or just electric stove? Next is how is your kitchen? I mean, how do you feel when you see? What do you feel when you see your kitchen? Or how do you feel when you cook in your kitchen? Is it comfortable or it is not comfortable? All right. I want you to finish your task, and I want you to collect it next week. Yeah. Once again, collect it next week. Write about your kitchen, and don't forget, you should also put picture of your kitchen there. So the pictures of your kitchen and then the descriptions about your kitchen. Yeah. Okay. Collect it next week. Print it and collect it next week. And once again, you have to be inside the kitchen. Once again, you have to be inside the kitchen. So when you take a picture, you have to be there. Not only the picture of the kitchen, but you have to be inside that photo with your kitchen. And don't forget, write the description about your kitchen. How big is it? How is the kitchen? How do you feel? And then what are there? What furnitures are there? What instruments are there? Okay. That's all my materials for today. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, bye.